Hello everyone and welcome to this session. In this session, I would like to show you one of the new features available with SAP SLM UI add-on 1.0 SP05. The feature that I would like to explain you today is called the product category hierarchy, made available in search results. Now the first question which comes to our mind is, what is product category hierarchy? It is a search across a product category using a hierarchical display. This feature is available with SP05 and is customizable. This feature is available in Search Results tab page. The major significance of this topic is that the performance is drastically improved in search results, and it also provides an easy navigation across product hierarchies. This feature is introduced in search results. In the earlier release, a hierarchical display of categories in search was not possible, but with this newly introduced feature, it is very much possible now. Now I would like to take you to the live demo of this application. Select Browse Product Categories. Search the category based on your requirement. Now we can see that we have different levels of categories maintained here. Now I would like to show you how to enable this feature in customizing. Open SLM NXP Employee Role in PFCG transaction and click on Advanced Features of SSPUX. Now to enable this feature, S_PCAT authorization object has to be disabled to this role. There is one more customizing which needs to be maintained. For that, go to SPRO transaction, click on SAP Supplier Relationship Management, then SAP SLM User Interface Add-on, execute Enable Enhanced Search. A new screen for Change View Supplier Customizing Details will be opened. In order to enable this feature, we need to enable product category hierarchies. We also do have an option to search for the product category hierarchy data based on logical system. If this is required, then checkbox for Enable Logical System has to be selected. Once the product category hierarchy search is enabled with logical system, then one more criteria will be added to the drop-down which contains the information about the different logical systems connected. By this, we come to the end of this session. I hope this session helped you to understand the product category hierarchy feature. Thank you.